Hello everyone. So today we'll check out this problem challenge 9 from Google Kickstart 2022 round A. Let us understand the problem statement in brief. Here Ada gives John a positive integer n and she asks him to construct a new number, okay, and without leading any zeros, because if you lead any number with a zero, it's nothing but the its number itself. And you can insert any digit, okay, including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, any digit, but 0 should not be uh, added at the beginning, but it can be added at any other place. Okay, so you can insert any digit to the given number, and this new number which you construct must be a multiple of 9. That is the problem statement. Now you may have more than one possibilities, so then you, from those possibilities, you have to construct the smallest such number. I mean, you have to find the smallest such number, and that is your output. So that is the problem statement. So let us consider some examples. So before going to the logic, so here we have multiples of 9. Let us try to understand these numbers. Okay. So if you carefully observe these numbers, it's nothing but it's like if you add these digits in every number, it will end up becoming 9. Okay. If you get two digits, like for example here 9 plus 9 is 18. Then again if you add them, you get 9. So ultimately whatever you add, that number itself also is a multiple of 9. Oh, that particular trick we can use in our code. Okay, so let us consider one example. We'll start with the 9 itself. Okay, so to make 9 a multiple of 9, but we need to add some digit. Okay, so there is, you cannot simply output 9 as output. Okay, because problem states that you cannot add 0 at the beginning. Okay, so if you see these examples, we can add 0 to this side, right side, and also we can add 9, so that it becomes a multiple of 9. But you cannot add 0 at the beginning of 9, so we have to not consider this. Okay, so here in these two numbers, 90 is the smallest, so answer is 90. And let's consider one more number with which has two digits, 1 5. So uh, 1 plus 5 is 6. So you need to add 3 digit 3, so that it becomes multiple of 9. So if you observe here, so you get these two as the multiple of 9. And you get one more number which is 315. 315 also multiple of 9. But these two also multiple of 9. But which is the smallest one? This one, 135. So you have to add a digit 3 in the center. Okay, so that is the answer. Now let's consider one more, which is the already multiple of 9, but with two digits. Okay. Here also you have this, you cannot consider this one, so I'm striking this out. So 0 you have to add. So 080, 801 and 810. Okay. So here also you have to add 0 in this position, because this is a small number. And here also, if I'm reverse this also here. So what is the conclusion is, if you already given a multiple of 9, then you have to add 0 in the second position of the number. Okay, because you cannot add the first position, it becomes the number itself. So you cannot say 081, but second position. Okay, but if not, then you have to loop through all the digits and you have to substitute the number before it reaches the maximum number. For example, here it is 1 and 5, so 3 you have to add there. So anyway, I'm explaining in the logic section in the next slide. So first read the number and check whether the sum of digits in that number is equal to 9 or a multiple of 9. Then if it is not 9, then find out what digit you need to add so that it becomes a sum of digit becomes 9. So for that you just have to subtract whatever you found here by with 9, so that you get the answer here. And let it be x, and that number we have to, that particular digit we have to place in this number. Okay, and you have to place it just before the largest digit. Okay, so that's why you have to look through all the digits in the number and place the if the digit is greater than x, and place it there. Okay, so let us consider some examples. So you have 8. So here, since you have only one digit, so sum of digits is equal to 8, and you need to add 1 so that it becomes a the multiple of 9, either 18 or 81. Okay, so the smallest is here is 18. Okay, to get that 18, what you need to do is same thing what I told here, like start looping the digit, and if the digit is greater than x, 8 is greater than 1, so you need to insert it there. So 1 you need to insert at the position of 8, and you have to push the 8 right side. Let's consider one more example. So you have 15. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So sum is equal to 6. And you need to add 6. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So 3 needs to be added to make the sum is equal to 9. And the possibilities are these. And so here actually, like if you consider this one 135, okay, it's smallest one. To get this number, what you need to do, same thing again, start looping to number 1 and 5. When you see 1 is greater than 3, false, okay, go to the next. 5 is greater than 3, yes, it is true, right? So then insert there 135, so that is the answer. Let's consider one more example, which is large number. So sum of digit is equal to here 40. So again, if you can just do a mod operator to get number 5. Okay. So here, sorry, and get number, yeah, number 5. So here you need to add 4 to 5 so that it becomes a digital, sorry, 4 to this number. Okay, not here. You should add 4 to this original number, not the intermediate numbers and all. So that you get sum of digits is equal to 9. So let us start looping to this large number. 7 is greater than this uh, uh, 4. Yes, true. So you have to add 4 at the beginning. So these are the other possibilities, and this is the answer. I hope this is all clear. So let us now try to check the code. So this is the Python code, and here I'm reading the input, and here I'm summing all the digits, and here I'm checking whether the s mod 9 is equal to 0. Okay, if it is 0, then you can add that 0 in the second position, and you can place other numbers left and right. Okay. Else, just find out that what is x. X is nothing but that particular number, and 9 minus that whatever remainder you get, and after that loop through all these numbers to check whether it is greater than x. If it is greater than, if it's less than s, then consider that number itself. But when it becomes greater than x, then exit the loop and then add that particular x value, and then add the remaining values. And that is your answer. I hope this is clear. So if you have any doubts, you can leave the in comments. And by the way, here I just have mentioned one more point, that if sum of digit is equal to 0, which is, sorry, it's not sum of digits, it's sum of digits mod 9 is equal to 0, which is this one. Okay, so sum of digit is equal to 9 or multiple of 9, then you have to place 0 in the second position. That is what I'm doing it over here. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. And yeah, if you have any doubts, just put in comment sections. And this code will be available in GitHub, and link is in the descriptions. Thank you. Have a nice day.